Yo! I'm back. So all the time when you're creating your notch on your wall, you always do it at an angle that you're getting your best. Like that's a 6mm, so when you're notching, you're ending up with about a 5mm notch. If you're at 90 degrees like that, which you don't because you get bloody glue on your hands, so it's never like that. You're always on a bit of an angle, so it ends up about a 5mm notch. But that's all right because you make sure your wall is pretty straight, flat, and your home and hose. So then we just bang them on. Grab a handful of crosses, which are 1.5 mm, and you just whooshka. And you always know then that you're the right spacing. Always watching that line. I might have to come up to that and go there maybe. That's probably better. Keeping an eye on that circle. This sort of tiling, you're always, well, all tiling, you are looking at your lines all the time. Cool, eh? It's not a bad effect. I'm going to do a light grey, same as the floor. It'll come out pretty nice, Here, when I go to do my ends, I'll always just butter my tile, because that when I get to it, because I'll be going up here and then I go to my ends, it's always best to just skim your tile with a bit of glue like that, so then it sticks to your glue just in case it's skinned, because in Australia it gets pretty hot. Today is quite cold actually. So it's all right. Nothing's going to go off too fast. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. We'll see you soon. I'll shoot up here and I'll come back to you. I'm going to 1500. So this won't take long at all. And then I'm just doing a skirt on that wall, and then VJ board. I'm coming around here, which I'm wrapping my tile. That's the extension of my tile. Home and hose. Okay, we'll see you soon. Bye. I'm doing this splashback from the floor. There's going to be a bench through here, through there, washing machine, dryer, and over cupboards starting at about that height. And there will be a tub cut into the bench, probably a bit of a flat pack unit to cover the pipe work and that sort of thing. So they've got a bit of a cupboard there. But yes, this is what it's all about. I'm leaving that out at the moment because I've got to turn off the water and that sort of thing. So I'll get up here first. This, when you're doing subway, you don't sort of cut as you go. You're busy banging them on the wall and then you come back to your cut. If you dig what I mean. So you bang a few up and then pull out your spacer and start adjusting. They're not a super easy tile to tile. These are a little bit sort of, you just got to keep an eye on what you're doing. Like your square subway tile, they're easy. Right, that's our height. I'll scrape away the glue, so I've got to do some halves in a minute. VJ board up here. I'll be doing that shortly. So it matches the bathroom. Right, have a look before. You mustn't get too far ahead of yourself, or you can start missing a few tiles with your spacers. Don't go too far ahead, is what I mean. Right, bit of adjustment. A wee bit of adjustment. Oh, that's looking good. Fantastic. That's it. So we go along there with the half like this. So I've got one here. There we go. Whooshka. Good, another one here. Yeah, look at that. Bloody beautiful, I tell you. Do I have another? Yep. I do. Not too far ahead, because then you'll start missing your spaces, and that's when you can run into trouble. If you miss your spaces and then the glue is dry, you're in trouble when you're doing a wall. Don't get too far in front of yourself. Drop back, put your spaces in, check your work as you go, and then move on. Because if you notice things before you, when your glue is dried, well then you're in trouble, because they're too hard to shift. Then cool. Okay people, I'll see you soon when I wrap around this wall. Give us a thumbs up if you would. Press the subscribe button. See ya. Bye.